And the plan is to leave the inner place because it's really bad there, but that's not happening.
We should have checked it out.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we also need to check the brake system.
Thank you. From my toolbox, I need a 17mm socket and a short extension from the first drawer.
Oh, it's passing.
We'll give it a try. It needs sudden hits to come off.
That's why hitting is good if you can manage it. For example, it doesn't tear off the rear subframe, you know?
Okay. Wow, that rear subframe is massive. Oh my God.
We can adjust this and then compare to the Lupo if we raise it up. We round it.
Leaf spring Gevin, though.
That's it. Damn it. Here's the brake line. This doesn't look good. This is quite rusty, so we may need to replace the brake lines. We need to do that too. This is also quite rusty.
I'll unscrew it because I need to take this mechanism off. And I'll take this off with a hammer. I'll lie down on this and you smash it.
It was really tightened. Why doesn't the wrench fit? Because it's either an 18, 7, 8, or 9, I don't know.
Sure, go ahead. Fuck, it was a bitch.
Bitch?
That's why it's an 18.
I'm not sure that's how it works.
I'm taking this off with a hand-cranked mechanism.
Or not.
You can't do it lying down.
Oh, it's coming off. The wrench is coming off. That's because you're sprawled out. Is there an issue with the shaft?
What? That's why you need a cordless tool. Because my body, what am I doing with my body? It just let go.
You know... it's really a 17.
I lay my tired body down at night.
Is it coming out, or is it already spinning inside from there?
Practically.
Egg.
Please, may I?
Why should I package it for you? Think about it. Kids, now here's a telescopic one.
I'm testing my major.
In terms of size, it's the same as the first one.
And this one has a body as well. Take a look at it.
Well, there's the body, yes, where it's being shown.
He's pointing here. Here's the body.
Check.
Unopened packaging for sale, a barely used ratchet. Well, damn. I'm just loosening it because I should reach in with a pick.
I don't care about this.
Yes. Good thing it's only in every new one.
And I want to go there.
He wouldn't row, I won't row. I see we're thinking.
I'm removing the structure that holds the wheel.
Maybe the 17mm socket will fit now because not much junk is flaking off the chrome socket. Not just a little, but a lot.
Kids, don't buy junk.
Otherwise, I'll smack your hands. Well, this one's a bit loose.
Uh-oh, black stains. Bite it! It's my claw!
Well, there's no way to interpret this, man. It's literally torn right here. What the heck am I supposed to do with this now? I think we're going to lose the money on this. I'm not happy. You'll come back later and then we'll check it. The structure is ruined. Well, that's how I feel, because I don't think I can save this structure. I think it's probably impossible to love it, I'll be honest. I'm not going to do this. Alternative protection. 40. Okay, you can add it, even if I say so.
Wow.
Eller till den där som finns här. Jaha.
And nothing fell off, but that's good. I'll take out the...
Yeah.
Do you understand? It's a really big deal. It really wouldn't need underbody protection. That's good. But this looked good. Appreciate it. Don't mess with it. There. What the hell is that fence made of? Some kind of corrugated fence. It's not really an object anymore. Here it is, there's a fold, and above it, it's all rotted away. You see, it's not used like this anymore.
Yeah.
What are you doing? You're shaping the bodywork. Can you look down?
This is a
Mushy mess, see? Uh-huh. That's why he'll get some thick sheet metal. We're not testing a new tool since we already have one. This is an air saw, and we have a ton of blades for it. It sounds like a duck. Yeah, let's see what this saw does. Yeah, because that's what it's for, to cut shapes into sheets like this, isn't it? This is great, for example, for trimming curved body sections. This is where the exhaust system will come out. Good. This is the right side. I'm trying to fix it so it doesn't look weird. We're showing how it's done. Well, the problem is this isn't the hack job version anymore, because here I have to make proper welds. We're not messing around with this. I'm assembling. Here you should be able to make one piece. Okay, and we'll do a trick. Because you don't need such a big piece. You always have to reach for the plex. See, it's not complicated. If I start bending this, it's going to bend like this. That's why I start stretching this nicely. You see, now this part is relatively straight, so how much time did it take? I think you can see there I made a proper flange, only a few minutes have passed. That's why I don't understand, because if you check the previous ones, they don't look that good. I'll obviously straighten out the rest over there, but you can take a look, kids. Well, this is real bodywork, so to speak. By the way, this thick sheet metal is here for a reason. We fold it down there like this, and you see now you know that this fits perfectly too. I need to make a thin flange. This should look pretty good, right? We're just continuing this flange, right? So it's not always just messing around, kids, so people believe that I'm capable of doing normal things too. You can see how much this whole thing bent, and now you can easily stretch it onto the edge. It's already much straighter, so now it can look normal. I think that's acceptable. Let's try it there. It just won't fit there, because as soon as we cut out that part, it'll be a gap. A patch can be done properly and it doesn't take too much time. It would have taken a few minutes less, just a little bit here and there. It's not 10 minutes, sometimes it's 6 minutes, 40 seconds. So did I make a patch here in 6 minutes and 40 seconds? It's not necessarily making the patch that takes a lot of time, but the cleaning, the welding, the grinding, so you can properly make a damn patch. But I know how to do these things sloppily if I want to. Is it enough that it's there? Yes, this is how it will look in its place. This is how it will be there. That's the end of the rib. It's all a mess. Cool. So, megtekintheted stock. Namaste. Igen, ide értem. Namaste, the eyes as it is. Not this one yet, because it's standing here so weirdly. I don't know how it's standing. That PETA film, could it be something? Maybe I'll just cut out this whole code mess right here. So here I'll weld from the outside. There I can weld from the inside. I need one of these here and there. Namaste. This part hasn't come off completely yet, and the size isn't right. It's not round. Okay, this is starting to... Hold it already! I have to use the grinder a lot in this junkyard. I pull down my safety glasses. They protect me against the flying debris. Reporting.
I'm designing a patch panel, which I will now test.
Factory made. I'm putting on this wonderful preparation, the art of masking. And this is the motorsport nozzle. This is very good.
That's right.
I'm going to spray myself all over. Where is the lighting? Oh, that too, everything. All the damn stuff is packed somewhere. Well, kids, it's ready now. Thank you very much. You should go to the car with bigger and bigger boobs. With your old eyes by the time you find it. With my old eyes, I have no nails and no teeth. I don't have them anyway, right? People are a bit like that. The lamest. Now it's certain he won't see anything this way.
Actually?
That's why we raised the shovel. See, we even held it twisted in one hand. Your mother is flirting with you. If I were you, I'd join too. Everything is just comfortable. You're failing. So this holder is why I don't fit in. No matter what, I'll have a child. Hello. Hello, good. A short extension from my kit, a short extension with a 17 socket. Thank you. Thanks for checking. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I will do it like this. Today I am. Now I believe I have found my own story. Let's see how long it keeps bouncing. Well, quite a while. By the way, what does it look like? Is it okay like this now? I know better. Here is this fucking thing. Drill the screw into the chassis and secure it with a large washer and bolt.
Well, it's already bent there, yeah.
They're filming. We're on work time. They're filming.